welcome back to the channel here. Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Yeah, man. Off to another adventure again today, guys. Sorry about the whole facial cover-up. I kind of had a little procedure done on my face and kind of looks a little bit messy, guys. Didn't want to put that on video. Anyways, besides the point, guy. People's viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. Welcome back to the channel again. Yeah, man. Heading out today, guys, to do a little bit of lure fishing today. Really didn't plan to do any lure fishing or any fishing at all today, but I'm heading out, guys, trying to get some content for you guys to make sure that we keep this thing on the ball, right? I love fishing, guys, and the reason why I go out is because I love this, and I push to go out all the time and enjoy it, even if I don't catch anything. Sometimes I catch and sometimes I don't. That's how it is. Well, basically today, guys, I'm going out to do a little lure fishing today. Strictly lure. I got some new lures, some new jigs that I want to try out. I want to get those in the water and see what I can pick up on them. I've seen some good reviews on them. I like them. I call them the double trouble. So let's see what the double trouble can get us. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Out there, guys. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. This is what's up, guys. So we're hitting up one of my favorite spots today, guys. It's one of my favorite spots because, yeah, we do catch fish there and there's a lot of action. The water's deep and it's by the reef. I love that. So I'm not going out there with any bait. I want to see what I can pick up. I got some good hits on the lure up there before, but I haven't really picked up anything to say of significance that I can say, all right, well, I've got something decent at this spot. Well, I'm going to keep on trying until I do pick something up. So stay tuned, guys. Once we're out there, I'll clip in a video and don't want to take your head up with too much of this talking and whatever the case might be. So big up on yourself. Stay tuned, guys. We are out here. We are out here, people. They're on the ends. Want to take off the lure bag here quick and get the lures out there in the water, people. We have some new jigs that we're trying today, but string in front of the head give me a little trouble sometimes, people, so I'm just move it to the back still. I see some fish I jump out, that's I see fish out, that's all. Alright, people, let's get these lures out and in the water. So today, guys, I am going to use a wire lead. I'm not going to use my mono lead today because out this side you have some monster size fish, guys, and I don't want to take chances of losing my expensive lures. Jada's here also, people. She's setting up her rod. I brought both my rods with me, guys. Both my medium light and my light. So you guys know me already. My go-to lure is my spoon with my bucktail teaser. I want to start the game with that today. Get these guys out there. Let me get these lures out of the sun. Get them over here in the corner. Alright, let's see what we can pick up for you guys today. We are out there. Jada, you got set up? Making shore fishing, guys. So guys, I'm going to change off one of them jigs and try the jig head, a vertical jig, and see what I can pick up. You know what I'm saying? Holy shoot. That's a sharp hook. Yep, guys. So here goes this new jig that I'm trying. This is my new jig. Did you get anything?
No.
You got wet?
Yeah.
Kind of figured why you ran out of there that quick.
No. What about your phone?
What over there? Yeah, guys. So these rocks are really sharp. You have to be extremely careful where you step. Care how good your shoes is. These rocks don't play when it comes to destroying shoes. And not only that, but you have the sea urchins and all kinds of other stuff. Now, guys, I'm gonna try out this new lure. It's a jig lure. I never tried it before. Hopefully, I don't lose it. Wow, look at that distance. Woo, guys, fish on. Fish on, guys. Fish on, Jada. Fish on, first cast on this lure, guys. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Vertical jig lure, guys. Woo! Yeah, guys. This is what's up, guys. Woo! Look at that. Double trouble vertical jig. Here, guys. First cast. Look at that, Laurie.
Can I get the other one?
Look at this.
Can I get the other one?
You can't let it drop on the ground.
Ah, jeez.
Careful of those hooks, Jada. Those hooks. They're very sharp.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Look at that, guys. The double trouble, guys.
Yo, it's so slippery.
I know. Hold on. Look at that. Yes, guys.
Them two places.
You gotta be careful. The hooks hooked you two places. Did he go?
A jackfish.
Hold on a second. Oh, there you go. Vertical jig, guys. Look at that. There, guys. I'm on vertical jig on the first cast, people. Want to get a close up look on this, you know. Yeah, man, this is what it looks like, guys. Good shot. I'll leave the link right down below so you guys can check these out. I'm gonna do, because this don't sink as fast, I'm gonna try it over there and then work my way back to you. Yeah. What's up, guys? These rocks are really sharp. So I switched up to one of my twitch baits that I enjoy using. I've caught my first lizard fish on this bait. A little bit beat up and old, but I love my fishing, guys. See that, guys? Look at that. Oh, fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on, guys. Got him. Fish on, guys. Look at this. Woohoo! Fish on. Look at that. Oh, shit. He fell in the hole, guys. Let's get him out here and get him back in the water, guys. All right, guys. I don't want to hurt this fish because I want to put him back. Well, guys, look. Yeah, man. Long jaw, guys. Look at that. On the lures. This is what's up. We're going to put this one back, guys. Go on, guys. Fish on. Yeah. That's what's up. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. We put that fishing here, guys. Big up yourself. Thank you for coming back to the channel. We just did some lure fishing. Me and Jade and Laurie went out. We picked up a couple of fish. It was like a catch and release day. Released them. I had a bad situation, guys. I broke my light rod just now. I got stuck with my vertical jig, so now I have to replace that. So, guys, thank you for joining the channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next adventures, guys. We got some hot content coming up for you guys. We're going to be pushing out hardcore. Meeting up with some other channels. Linking up with some other channels in Portmore and Kingston and St. Elizabeth and Clarendon. Big up to extreme fishers. Yeah, man. Peace. peoples and big up to Extreme Fishers. Enough support me get from them. Big up to Jamaican anglers. Enough support. Same way, enough love. Jamaican Hidden Beauty Wildlife TV. Big up yourself. Same way. And one big up another channel also, people. NASA Links. Yeah man. Enough love NASA Links. Me always watch a video then, brother. Big up yourself. You understand? A couple other channels out there, people, but I can't remember everybody offhand. You don't know how the thing's set. So I'm out here, guys, and I'm gonna head back in with my girls right now. It's kind of a holiday. Go chillax a little bit with my girls, probably watch a movie or so, and enjoy myself. So guys, stay tuned. Hot adventures coming up, guys. I've just been really busy. It's been a hectic month with me pushing out, so videos kind of slowed for maybe a week or so, guys, but don't worry about it. I'm back in it again, guys, and we out here. Big up yourself.